Welcome to Josna's recipes, and this is how I make it. So now that mangoes and raw mangoes are in season, let's make recipes out of them. So today I'm going to make kairi ka panna or raw mango sharbat, or it's called panna, and I love it. It is so refreshing on a hot day. So let's start making it right away. So I have one green mango or kairi or raw mango, and we are going to do panna with it. So the peel is a little bitter. So if you steam it along with peel, so the panna has little bitter taste. So we are going to peel this and then pressure cook it. So I have peeled it and I'm going to put it in the pressure cooker and pour water into it. And close the lid and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. And it's on medium flame. So it's going to take 5 minutes. The cooker has cooled down completely, and I'll be removing the raw steamed kairi or mango from the cooker. After almost 4 to 5 whistles, look at this. We are going to use the pulp of this raw kairi along with the water. The water is also good enough. It's cooled completely. So with my clean hands, I'm going to just remove the pulp. This is how you need to remove the pulp, and you can remove the seed here. You can just squeeze the seed. So I'm going to add these ice cubes, and then I'm going to put this beautiful panna in it. Look at that. It looks so good. Maybe it needs one more ice cube. Here, our panna is ready. Look at our panna. Look at the color, the texture, and it is so tasty, healthy. See that you don't add too much of sugar to that. And there is one more version in this panna. You can also add mint, two leaves of mint leaves, but I don't like mint leaves in panna, so I haven't added it. So you can try it in one glass and then see how it feels to you, like if you like it with mint. But this is now all ready, and I'm going to have it. This is the best drink in the summer, hot summer. And now that we have summer, which is going to be even more intense, this refreshes, and this also helps us to replenish the energy when you walk in the hot sun, or you drove in the hot sun, or you were in the sun, or you were outside for a long time. Anyway, make this and let me know if you like it. Take care.